My name is Siegbert. I'm from Germany and I'm an industrial mechanic. As a second job, I have a security company, and I started with the Somananda teachings about 2 years ago, and it really changed my life. So it changed many things, many aspects, my relationship, how I deal with some obstacles or challenges in life. So it was really a big impact, and it's really interesting and fascinating, all these teachings. It's really powerful, and these techniques are working so good. You can see that this is authentic teaching, and Somananda is showing it from different angles and different views so that you can see the whole thing and pick out whatever you like and whatever you feel is best for you, so that you can practice good and develop and evolve. So that's a good thing for me. My family was always religious, in Christian tradition, and then I had always the idea of what is God, but I wasn't sure, and I was always kind of searching for, there must be something, there must be something higher than us, something that created all this beautiful universe and this nature around here. And somehow I got into science, and when you study science, quantum physics, for example, you find that someplace there's nothing that you can explain anymore, so there must be something behind it, and very intelligent and structured. And that's how I came to yoga. And then I searched for a yoga teacher, and I started doing yoga classes, and then somehow I found the Somananda Tantra School, and that changed a lot for me. It completely changed my life. I did many courses, and it's still much more to learn and courses to attend, and it's a very interesting path, which is sometimes it's challenging, but when you see the results, when you look back, it's just amazing. The most fundamental experience I had, that I can really be relaxed and calm down, because I have lots of work to do at home, so many things that bother me the whole day, and it's like my mind is talking all the time. And here, the first time in these 10 days of silence, I could really feel, be relaxed and be quiet inside and also outside. You can see it's a change. And then you are much more focused and concentrated, and you can handle problems much better and think about your future or your life, what you want to do, and create a new lifestyle or a new path. So that's really amazing for me. When I come home, then I will organize my whole day different. Of course, I will do some practice, which we learned here. And I will do my work differently. I will be more focused, more concentrated, and much more effective, of course, because as a result of that. And I think that will be a huge benefit for myself and also for the people around me. So this meditation is really something that you can recommend to everybody, because it's not just some ancient stuff that yogis did 1,000 years ago. It's really useful for everybody and for today's life. So for me, it was really important to have a good teacher, which has a certain lineage, with a certain background, that it's proven that the techniques are working, so that you're not wasting your time and money, because nowadays it has to be effective and you want to have some good results. And in the Somananda Tantra School, it's proven that these techniques are working, and you can see it. And even if you have some small problems or issues, you can also ask the teachers, and they will guide you and they will help you, and they give you so much support, and then you can easily make your progress and have some good results and benefits. So in the evenings, we had many times satsangs with Somananda, and it's always amazing and interesting. He has so many answers to all our questions, and there come so many questions up during the retreat. Maybe you have some issues or problems, or just general questions about the spiritual life, and he always have a good answer, and he can give some guidance if you need some, and it's really amazing. It's like a walking library, so to speak. So he's a really good teacher, and he guides us through this whole process very well. Yes, in the morning we often had a yoga class with Liisa, and it was always powerful, and she was guiding us through this session, and it's really amazing how this group energy builds up and it pushes you even more. When you would do it at home, you wouldn't practice that strong or long, so it's really a good guidance, and she has a lot of experience, and she knows what you need at the time. So even in the end, the meditation was really beautiful, and I really had some amazing experiences and feelings and thoughts, and even some higher states, so to speak. So I'm really grateful for that. If you're interested in meditation, then you should definitely attend the Trika retreat, because it's a silent retreat, and you can fully go into this meditation state, and especially in this environment here in India, in Rishikesh especially, which is a holy city, which supports this whole process a lot. So if you're interested in meditation, this is a really powerful place and good support, and then you can feel how your mind is changing and your whole being is evolving through this process.